Hello and welcome to this quick tutorial on the free Verify reports that come with your subscription to IncentiFind Pro. To check if you have a subscription to IncentiFind Pro, go into our Product and Services tab and click onto IncentiFind Pro. You should be able to see this option for the dashboard, and then open IncentiFind Pro. Given that you have this access, you will be able to run a Verify report for free. If you go into the Verify report subsection, and choose commercial or homeowner, you can fill out this information and see incentives on any of the addresses that you select. The checkout process will be the same, except you'll see that the cost is zero because of your ICF Pro subscription. And just like that, you'll be able to open your free Verify report. Thank you for watching this tutorial, and please stay tuned for many more videos from IncentiFind.